Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to shuffle question order in Google Forms. This feature is incredibly useful when you're creating quizzes or surveys and want to prevent answer sharing by randomizing the order questions appear for each respondent. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to forms.google.com. Once you're there, sign in using your credentials if you haven't already logged in. This will bring you directly to your Google Forms homepage where you can access all your existing forms and create new ones. Now, in your Google Forms dashboard, look for the section labeled Recent Forms. This area displays all the forms you've worked on recently, making it easy to find what you need. Go ahead and click on the form where you want to shuffle the question order. This will open the form in edit mode, allowing you to make all the necessary adjustments. Once your form is open, direct your attention to the top toolbar. Here you'll find several options for managing your form. Click on Settings, which is typically represented by a gear icon. This is where you can control various aspects of how your form behaves and appears to respondents. In the Settings menu, you'll see different tabs or sections. Navigate to the one labeled Presentation and click the arrow beside it to expand the options. This section contains all the settings related to how your form is displayed to people filling it out, including progress bars, confirmation messages, and question ordering. Within the presentation settings, look for the option that says Shuffle Question Order. Toggle this option on by clicking the switch or checkbox next to it. Activating this feature ensures that each time someone opens your form, they'll see the questions in a different random sequence, which is particularly helpful for maintaining test integrity. Before you finalize everything, it's important to verify that the shuffle is working correctly. In the upper right corner of your screen, click the Preview button. This opens a view of how respondents will experience your form. Try refreshing the preview a few times and you'll notice the questions appearing in different orders each time, confirming that the shuffle feature is active. And there you have it, you've successfully enabled question shuffling in your Google form, adding an extra layer of fairness and security to your surveys or assessments. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.